Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. So in this video I'm going to talk about Leos and their tarot card prediction for the month of June 2020. Let's see what cards are telling about you. Wow, such a wonderful cards I have here with me. The first card, Hierophant, and this card says that uh, yeah it says that you will be getting some guidance. No, you will be getting some mentor, or you'll be getting some guidance which you are seeking from a traditional guru, or from a person who is experienced, who has knowledge, who is wise enough, or someone senior may come to your rescue in the form of some advice, some guidance which you are looking forward, which you are seeking this moment. Okay, dear Leos, so at the same time the card also says that you may also be acting as a mentor to someone who are looking forward some kind of guidance, or some kind of mentorship, right? So this is really a great card. Or you may also be attending some holy ceremonies, or some good rituals. You will maybe a part of some good rituals at the same time. So Hierophant is really a good card because it talks to us, it tells us about some wisdom which is coming to us, which is some traditional methods, wisdom in the form of traditional methods, or which is coming to us this month. So dear Leos, and the second card is again a very lovely card, Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is giving you an indication that you may have some new love, new emotion, or new relationship, uh, something new which that you want to start, the which which is out of your heart, and you always wanted to do it. This is the time, this is an opportunity. This card is saying that this month is going to give you an opportunity to do that, to express your love, or probably a new love also may be coming in your life. So it's actually a very good card for the new beginnings. If you are looking forward to start some new venture, of your likeness, of something that you always wanted to do it, then here is the time you can begin. At least start a little bit into it, make some proper research of what you want to do. At least this is the card again which says that is you can have a beginning to something that you want to do. So you will get an opportunity also, but you should be open to get this opportunity. Accept it, understand it, and start working on it, Leos. This is a very good time. And here I have a third card, which is the moon. Okay, so the card is not very bad, but this is cautioning you. This is cautioning you in the sense, it says that something which is what appears may not be may not be, some things that appear may not be true all the time. Okay, so this card says that what you are seeing may not be what actually it is. So there is a difference here, there is a gap here which you have to find out, or which you will be able to get through this in a process of time, in a time, right? So you just have to be a little cautious. Maybe when you are working on your project, when you are working on your new opportunity, you are getting guidance also this month. So I am seeing that if we are yeah. So all in all, if we see all the cards here, when we see all the cards here, what I am seeing is the time is good. With some guidance, with some mentorship, you will be able to start something good. Or you will be also, it's a time for a wedlock, if someone is looking forward to that, and engagement as well. With regard to your life partner, a good relationship, a new beginning, as well. And at the same time, you need to be a little cautious with the people around, with your behavior, or with the opportunities that may come forward. Okay, So you have to understand ki what is good, how far this opportunity or the person who is coming into your life is able to take you. So don't simply accept things as it is, right? So try to analyze them in a proper way. The moon card says that you should analyze the things and only then go with them. Okay, so this is just a cautionary precautionary, it's asking you to be cautious enough, dear Leos. uh, yeah, so let's move on to see what the universe no, first let us see what the energies are for you this month. So the energy card is such a wonderful card, right? This is sun. The sun is about the new beginnings. The sun is about the happiness. The sun is about life. It's all about the life. It's all about new beginnings, happiness that is coming your way. So this month is going definitely going to bring a positive change in your life, a new beginning in your life. And moreover, if it is not so also, if you're not finding an opportunity immediately, just try to work towards what sort of opportunities, I mean what sort of changes that you want to bring in your life, and probably the time will also favor you. This month, the month of June 2020 will favor you in bringing those positive changes in your life. This is such a wonderful card. The energies around you, the energies within you are all serving your purpose. Okay, so don't waste your time, dear Leos. This is such a wonderful time. Such wonderful cards have come to you, shown up for you. So don't waste this. And at the same time, there is a message from the universe, which is again synchronization with this. And I just read this for you. I recognize that I have chosen fear, and I choose again, I choose love. Wow, what a message. So maybe we have this moon card here, and we have this message from the universe, because the moon card also says that we may be holding some sort of fear inside, which is obstructing us from going forward. So this card is in synchronization to this. It is saying that you are getting more judgmental about any particular situation or about any particular person, which is creating a sense of fear within you. And this is what you have to get through it. Okay, and this time you shall choose love. Okay, so this card says love beginning, and this again the universe is telling you that you shall choose love. So all the cards, if we see overall, all the cards are in synchronization, giving you more of good beginnings, the beginnings that you wanted to have, the opportunities also. What it says that give up your fear and accept the new possibilities or the new opportunities being served. Okay, so I wish you really good luck, dear Leos. This is all for this month. We'll see you again next in the coming month of July 2020. Till then, I wish you good luck. Have a great time. Bye bye.